Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. Today we'll explain how to communicate GMT-X4 with PLC via the PROFINET protocol. GMT-X4 supports multiple communication interfaces. Serial communication, RS-232, RS-485, CAN communication, Ethernet communication, Modbus, TCP/IP, field bus communication, including PROFINET, EtherCAT, Ethernet IP, and CC-Link IE. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to communicate GMT-X4 with PLC via the PROFINET protocol. Before communicating, you need to download the GMT-X4 GSD file on the General Measures website and remember the download address. The software used for demonstration is TIA Portal V14. Click Create New Project. Fill in the project name as GMT-X4 and click Create. Open the device and network. Enter the Add New Device. Add corresponding type of PLC device first. Choose the version and click Add. Click Options, then choose Manage General Station Description Files to import the GSD file of the GMT-X4. Select the file. Click Install. After installation, waiting for the hardware directory to be updated. Then click Device Configuration in the equipment bar on the left. Click Network View and select PROFINET I/O in Other Field Devices. Click I/O. Find the instrument device corresponding to the GSD file you just installed. Double-click to select and click Connect Instrument Device and PLC. Next, assign the IP address of the PLC. Click on PLC Devices and set the IP address of the PLC. Then assign the IP of the instrument. Click on Instrument Device and set the IP address of the instrument. Modify the PN device name of the instrument. The device name is the unique identification for PN communication. Then reassign the device name of the instrument. Right-click the instrument device. Select Assign Device Name. Click Update List. Find the MAC address corresponding to the instrument. Select Assign Name and click Close after assignment is complete. Click on Ungrouped Devices. In the left device bar, select In_1. Right-click on Properties and modify the parameters of GMT-X4 in the module parameters. Here, in the case of modifying unit, after the modification is completed, the parameters will be written to the instrument. We can see the unit changed in instrument. Click the Compile button to compile the configuration. After compilation, click Download to the device to enter the download interface. Then click Start Search to find the corresponding PLC device. Click Load. Click Stop All to load the configuration into the PLC. After completion, check Start All and click Finish. At this point, the configuration download is complete and the download interface is automatically closed. Click on Go Online. A green checkmark displayed in the left device bar indicates that the device has established a communication connection. Different parameters of the instrument can be set using the read-write cycle parameters. Refer to the parameter list in the manual. For example, zero calibration by using the request to write value of the Modbus address and input value, and read the millivolt of the zero calibration by using the read request of the Modbus address. First click Go Offline, then click Instrument Device. Click Device View to query the address assigned to the instrument by TIA software, which is divided into address I and address Q. Click PLC Tags on the left and select Default Tag Table. Enter the corresponding name, data type, address in the default variable table. Click Download and after loading, click Go Online. Click Add New Watch Table in Watch and Force tables on the left side. Import the parameters of the default variable table in the monitoring table and turn on All Monitoring. Check the data types in the Modbus communication address table in the manual to get the corresponding display format. and select the corresponding display format. Write 608 for the request to write value of the Modbus address, 1 for the input value, and 608 for the read request of the Modbus address. Click on Modify all selected values once and now to see if the value in read value is consistent with the 0-point calibrated millivolt. If they are consistent, the read-write is successful. That's all for GMT-X4 PN communication demo. If you want to learn more about this instrument, feel free to contact General Measure.